10 Rules for Swimming Pool Etiquette. First off, wear something, preferably an actual swimsuit that fits, covering and restraining those wobbly bits. Jeans shorts can weigh you down and act like a sponge when wet. Have you ever seen someone emerge from a pool in a pair of cutoffs? Those things harbor enough water to fill up a kiddie pool. Pools and water can be pretty exciting at any age. For some, the urge to splash is an instinct, like scratching an itch. It can be a way to express joy. It can also be a way to annoy someone or get his or her attention. So, teach your kids not to splash in public pools or if they are guests in someone else's pool. When entering a public pool or as the guest at a private pool, don't dive, jump, or push off into oncoming swimmers. Come to think of it, don't do that at home, either. This applies to public pools, at which the lanes are often clearly marked slow, medium and fast or something similar. If you share a private lap pool, be considerate. Stay in your lane, or create one. Pass other swimmers on the left or on the right in the United Kingdom and down under. For serious swimmers, the rule is, tap the foot of the person in front of you before passing. That's tap, not shove. Polls come out every other year or so asking things like how many people confessed to peeing in the pool. Results are surprising when they reveal just how many of us, you pee in the pool. The myth of the pool turning green in certain spots when treated with a special urine-revealing chemical is just that, an urban myth. Still, someone must have potty trained you to use a toilet, hopefully before age 3, so use it when you go swimming. At the very least, trim your toenails regularly. Why? Picture this, you're mastering your speed in the pool, and that Michael Phelps-like kick of yours is so powerful that your foot, and toe, with a protruding nail, slices the swimmer who unfortunately invaded your space. Ouch, along with disgusting. Use the toenail clippers that Santa leaves in your stocking each year, it might be a hint. Toddlers in swim diapers can be a dirty subject. I've been in a few public pools and at a water theme park when the rumors spread quickly and the words poop, diaper, ew, and a couple of other expletives can be heard before an unseen voice commands everyone to please exit the pool now. Has the doctor been unable to chase down that pesky rash on your left shin? Is that cut between your thumb and index finger taking a long time to heal? Is your fashionista 5-year-old sporting multiple Disney princess band-aids due to her many skate park scrapes? If your host requests it, step under the shower and rinse off before entering the pool. When swimmers use soap to shower away impurities, they help reduce the risk of waterborne illnesses, such as diarrhea, swimmer's ear, and skin infections, according to the Water Quality and Health Council. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.